Make your money last between jobs with today's budget. Taking a break between jobs? Got a severance package? Here's how to make it last with today's budget. Let's set things up together. Step 1. Maybe you're using some savings, or you've got a severance pay. Whatever the source, enter it as income in the app. In this example, we'll add a one-time severance payment of $6,000. Tap on One Off and turn on Spread Out. Then choose how many months you want it to cover. How long should you spread it out? It can be tricky to decide, but just do your best. Think about when you might get paid at your next job and add a little buffer to be safe. In this example, we'll plan for the $6,000 severance to cover 3 months. This helps keep your daily budget steady and makes sure your money lasts over time. Step 2. Enter fixed costs. Add your rent, insurance, subscriptions, whatever you need to cover each month. The app spreads these out across your days, so you always know what's left to spend. Step 3. Manage your daily spending. Your today's budget shows how much you can spend each day after fixed costs. Check in daily and aim to stay within your budget, so your money goes further. Part 2. Add extra income as it comes in. Got a mini job? Sold something you didn't need? You can log those as income in the app too, so your daily budget adjusts and includes that extra income. Go to Add Income, then tap on Add Custom Income. Let's say you did a freelance design job for $500. You want to use it over 1 month, so tap on One-Time Income and turn on Spread It Out. Or maybe you sold a piece of furniture on Facebook Marketplace. Tap on Add a Custom Income to create a new income type. Just pick an icon and a title. Enter the amount, select One-Off Income, and leave Spread It Out off. The full amount will be added to your spendable money today. Once you've got a new job and a steady paycheck, here's how to set up your salary in the app. Add custom income. Pick an icon and a title. Enter the amount and set it to repeat based on your pay cycle, like every 2 weeks or monthly. The app will spread your income evenly across the pay cycle, so it lasts until your next paycheck.